Sebastián, Donostia.
Sebastian, guys.
Vale, sí, ya sé, son unos soportales que hay ahí.
Ah, vale. Yeah, so we just arrived.
And you talk just now.
So guys, we just arrived and we're just settling in. So I guess by now you would have seen the room tour that we made. And yeah, it's about time to chill, to change, because it's been long hours. But hello guys, so we are about to go out to go and eat, and then yeah, I'm super excited. So we're about to go to like the city center somewhere, because in this hotel there's no restaurant, there's only a place where you can have breakfast, and it's 6:49. So obviously we've passed the breakfast time. So we're going to go and look for a restaurant where we can eat and have dinner and then come back, and tomorrow I'll take you guys to the restaurant, well, the place where they have breakfast here. I'll show you guys. So basically I'm going to round it up here. Well, I'll take you guys to the restaurant, but basically this will be it for today, and we'll continue tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys later in the restaurant. It's like it's raining. Okay, bye. So guys, we're just back from outside. It's raining and we're looking for a restaurant, and where we are is like, it's the city center, but it's not really the city center, and because it's raining we couldn't really go far. So we just like walk around and look if we would see any restaurant nearby. But there wasn't any restaurant. It was more of a bar type, and we are very hungry. So in Spanish bar, typically they do not really sell like full meal. It's like bread, what they call their sandwiches, and yeah, basically that's it. So we are back here and we're about to order food from all this online app so that they can deliver it here. And yeah, basically that'll be it for today. Today has been really nice actually. Good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of our trip, and yeah, I'm just coming here to tell you guys good morning. And yeah, it's currently 7:25 and we just woke up because we didn't just wake up, we woke up like a few minutes ago, and I got ready because we want to go and have breakfast and then get to know the city, you know, go around. In case you're hearing any noise, it's my husband that's over there. So yeah, so we're just here. My daughter is sleeping, and then yeah, so we're just getting ready. So anyways, okay, so this is me. I don't know if you guys can see me properly. I'm wearing slippers. I wanted to wear a yellow dress, but sorry, I wanted to wear a yellow dress, but yeah, the weather over here, it's raining and it's a bit cold. Yeah, it's been raining, like you can see through the window. Everywhere is so foggy. So it's been raining, and yeah, yesterday we went out, as you saw in the vlog, in my last vlog, that we went out and it was raining, so we had to come back and order food online. And then yeah, the weather over here is raining. We found that it was going to rain after booking the hotel, paying for our tickets. Something just told us like, okay, let's check the weather forecast, and we saw it was going to rain throughout the days that we're going to stay here. But yeah, anyways, there's no problem. The intention of coming here was to go to the beach, but I think we'll still go to the beach at least to know where it is. And then yeah, it's not yet summer properly yet, but it's all good. So we're getting ready to go and have breakfast. I'm going to wake my daughter up, get her ready, and then go downstairs. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and then yeah, basically that's just going to be it for now. So see you guys when we're downstairs. And then yeah, after breakfast I have to come back because I have work to do for just 1 hour. After working, basically get to know the city, and I hope that by then the rain stops a little bit so that we can go outside and, you know, get to know the city. So if anything that happens, I'll basically show you guys. So see you guys in my next one. Bye. So guys, we are now ready to have breakfast. Wow.
Hi guys.
First floor. guys, we are taking a walk around the city. I'll soon be back at the hotel because I have something to